faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's the weekend and we just roll out of bed and hitting the workout right now. We need to get a little weekend session in, so we're gonna do just that. Baby's heading on the treadmill and I'm gonna get some skip in. The kids are up and playing. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and make sure you guys are getting a little physical activity in. Love you guys. Catch up and keep up. If it's the first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe. Stay safe. It is very cloudy here at the moment outside. Say good morning.
Good morning, Mom. Good morning, Faith.
What are you doing with that?
You can open your gift.
What? Okay, I'll do it later, okay?
Why not now?
Because Mama is going to work out.
Please.
Okay. Let me see what gift you got. He got me this box from yesterday. I said, Mama, I got a gift for you. He always have a gift for me. So in his Play-Doh box, there are pink Legos and pink Power Ranger. 2 pink Power Ranger. I like it, and I like that you choose pink for Mama. Thank you.
I can put the box in your room.
No, put it back in your room.
But I don't like pink.
Okay, give them to Sarah. Okay? So Sarah can play with them.
Sarah.
Anyway, you guys, we love you. And if you're new to our channel, welcome to the fam bam. Anyway, we have lots to do around here. You know your girl work with time management, and right now it's after 10, so I need to go and get workout done in time to get my baby's lunch and just keep on track with everything. Anyway, you guys, let's go get this workout in. You guys will see baby in a bit. In full effect, Babe and I killed workout. My babies were a good sport. They let us get our workout in, and while that was going on, I was cooking lunch for Sarah, and I made chicken and sweet potato and broccoli for her lunch. So I'm gonna blend this up right now because it's her lunch time, so she can have something to eat. Tyler, on the other hand, said he wants noodle soup, so I'm gonna make him a pack of noodle soup for lunch, and then I'm gonna proceed to figure out what's for brunch for Baby and I, because we didn't have any breakfast before we worked out. So that's what's going on around here, shawty. Loves these pot noodle soup. Yes, Dad?
I can wait when you finish the cooking my noodle soup. I can wait until the noodle become
Soft.
Yes.
Yes. I'm gonna cover it on the table for you. Lunch ready for my girl. Say hello. You're a good girl. You let Mama and Papa get their workout in. Yay! It's time for lunch. 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 Food, take your hand out your mouth. You don't want none to waste. You want none to waste, so you're pushing it in your mouth. Mama can help you with this. You guys, hold on, Tyler. Here's lunch for Baby and I, brunch for Baby and I today. So I have lettuce, tomato, cashew, some cheese, and I put a little Maggi sauce on it. I soon come Thai. And then over here I have egg and some red meat going. Some steak caché. Yes, sir. So this goes on top. You want rice or you want fries? Make up your mind. Rice and cardamom blue?
Yes.
Okay. And then babe like his eggs like this. So there we go. For babe brunch. Well, I'm gonna fry mine fully. So there we go. That looks really yummy. Guys, I'm about to wash my hair, wash my locks. I remember a few of you have been asking me what is my hair routine, so I'm just gonna show you guys real quick how I do my hair wash routine. So just follow me along. Oh, it's scratching like crazy. This is why I don't fancy, I'm not fussy when it comes on to extensions, because I work out a lot, and because I work out so much I sweat consistently and it's itchy, so I have to wash my hair every single weekend. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys what I do first when I'm washing my hair. As you guys can see, it's just out. I just pull out the elastic band. It was just up in a bun like that. Pull it out, and this is a shampoo and conditioner that I use. It's called Mega Growth. It's called Mega Growth by Perfective. It's an anti-breakage, strengthening and restoring and repairing hair. So I've been using this for years. However, I use a shampoo and conditioner in this same brand. However, lately I can't get the, when I rebought my stock, my last stock that I bought, I didn't get the shampoo in this brand. So whenever I don't get the shampoo in this brand, this is the shampoo that I use. So I go for the Contour Shea Butter Moisturizing Cream Shampoo. So these are the shampoo and conditioner that I use. If I don't have this one, I use this one. So I rotate between these two, but this is the day one. But if I don't have it, this works just as perfect. So it's either this shampoo or conditioner, Mega Growth, or it's the Contour Shea Butter conditioner or shampoo. Okay, so I'm gonna wash and shampoo with these, and then after I wash and shampoo, I'm gonna show you guys my next step. Alright you guys, so that's my hair after wash. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw the conditioner in there, and I just roughly paint my conditioner all over my head. Make sure that I get as much conditioner in. And this conditioner from the Mega Growth give your hair a cooling sensation when you're putting it in, and it makes your hair so easy to detangle. Oh, I love using it. Okay, so now that I have my conditioner in, I'm just gonna work my conditioner in, just massage it into my head a bit to make sure that all my scalp and everything get that nice conditioner in there. What I like to do is like to use my finger and roughly detangle my hair before I use the comb, and I just like to go through my hair like this and pull it down like that. So I'm just gonna go through all of it, and if I feel any rough patches, then I can detangle it with my hands. If you guys can see the difference in the hair when I'm doing that, difference between this side and this side. So I have a little here coming, just a little, not too much, but that's okay. Give you guys a joke. I remember the first time babe saw me combing out my hair and all the hair came out in the comb. He was like this. I said, babe, what's wrong? He said, honey, your hair is falling out. If that much hair comes out in your comb, when you comb it, you won't have any hair remain. He said, baby, you won't have any more hair remain. I'm like, no, it's completely normal. My hair is different from yours, and that's what happened when you comb out my hair, but it's okay. He said, what happened to your hair? Your hair is falling out, honey. Your hair is falling. Like, oh my God. He's fascinated by my hair each time I comb it out and the amount of hair that comes out of my head. He's like, no way. That's not possible. How is that possible? If all that hair comes out of your head when you comb it. Alright. Detangling with my fingers done, and I'm going to be using okay, so I know a lot of people detangle their hair with different type of comb or brush. Some people detangle their hair with this, some people detangle their hair with this, some people detangle their hair with this. I, on the other hand, like to detangle my hair with this. I'm just gonna take this comb and go through my hair, and I normally work from the end and then straight to the top and comb out all my hair like that. And you see, it's easy. When you detangle it with your finger first, then this comb takes me through it so good. See that? There we go. And there we go, guys. Here is detangled and they're ready to rinse out. So we're gonna rinse this out. Okay, washing is done. Now that washing is done, I'm gonna add two things to my hair. These two, Doc's hair oil and Contour Shea Butter leave-in conditioner. And then I style. And voila, hair's all clean and fresh and looking good. And when I style with either the Eco Styler gel, the white one, or the Eco Styler gel, the dark one. And what I realize is that my hair is more compatible with the white one. I just recently started trying the dark one. The white one makes my hair, the black one makes my hair heavy, in terms of by the end of the week my hair is very heavy, and it starts showing, the black one, like little shedding, like little black things. But the white one, on the other hand, it doesn't make my hair heavy and it doesn't show any particles or anything in my head. So yeah, I'm just going to add the leave-in conditioner. No, I'm gonna add the oil first because I like to add the oil to my roots. So I'm just gonna take the oil and go through my scalp. Anywhere that I touch, it don't really matter, just make sure it's the root. And I've been using Doc's hair oil ever since I was a little girl, so I stick to it. I haven't, these liquid oil that I've tried here don't agree with my hair. Maybe it's because of my hair texture, so I stick to my Doc's. My Doc's never fail. I remember once I couldn't get Doc's and I tried another one and it tear with all my hair. I'm gonna just take my contour leave-in and make sure I get it all over my hair, on the end, in the middle, all over my hair. And what happened with the leave-in conditioner is that when you use it and you style your hair, it can make your hair a little bit white if you style it when it's wet. But once your hair is dry, all the whiteness goes away. The shrinkage is real. So yeah, I am just going to figure out how I'm gonna style my hair right now just to make it dry. So that's my hair routine for everyone that has been asking. I didn't use any gel in my hair today while styling for no particular reason, because I didn't feel like it. Now I'm going to control these edges, and for edge control, if you're wondering, at the moment I'm in love with this edge control, and this edge control is, can you see? There we go. This edge control is Sunny Island Jamaica Black Castor Oil Edge Hair Gel. And I find this, I think you can find it on Amazon or whichever hair shop that you goes to. I'm sure you can find it in there. And girl, it get my edges together. Control my edges to the gods. Okay, I'm in love with it. As soon as I'm running out, I'm sending to get another one because I'm in love with it. I like to do my side of my hair like this. There we go. I'm controlling the edges, girl. My hair is so curly when it's wet. It's so stubborn when it's wet. It's just curling up like baby. This hair can be a struggle sometimes. Me and it fight. Especially when it's wet. We goes to war. Me and this hair. This here stay fighting, man. And voila, all done, done, shorty. And that's my hair routine. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. What I like to do too is get a hairpin and just pin this up like that. Go, 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 go. Go, wait. Okay, come get it. Come on, come for it. Come to mama. Come on. Up.
T'es là? Ranger ta chambre, comme ça. Alors, tu vas dans la salle de bain, on va faire la douche. D'accord?
Come get it. 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 No! Hey, come to mama.